If you're anything like me, then you've probably heard about passive income, but didn't know where to get started. You might have also seen some of my other videos and thought to yourself, that sounds great, but how do I know what kind of passive income is right for me? Well, in today's video, I will share with you 25 different ways that you can start earning passive income so you can choose which one works best for your skills and interests. Before we dive into our first idea, let me explain what passive income actually means. Essentially, it refers to revenue streams that require minimal ongoing effort to maintain. You can create the course once and sell it over and over again. You can create and sell things like ebooks, Notion templates, website themes, and digital art. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Gumroad are great places to start selling your digital products. You can also add new lessons or modules to keep people coming back for more. Writing an ebook is a great way to share your knowledge or experience on a particular topic and make money at the same time. You can set your own hours and rates and work with clients from all over the world. You can create videos on topics that you are knowledgeable about or that you are interested in learning more about. And once you have enough subscribers, you can start earning money from ads. And if you have sponsors, you can earn money from advertising. Platforms like Clarity, FM, and Coach Me make it easy to get started. You can provide administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses and entrepreneurs from anywhere in the world. If you're a photographer or a videographer, selling stock photos and videos is a great way to make passive income. You can help them develop and execute social media strategies, create engaging content, and track results. You can upload your work to websites like iStock and Adobe Stock and earn royalties every time someone downloads your content. You can create and sell things like planners, journals, and coloring pages on platforms like Etsy and Creative Market. A newsletter is a great way to stay connected with your audience and make money from sponsors and affiliate marketing. You can offer exclusive content, resources, or community access to members who pay a monthly or annual fee. You can translate documents, websites, and other materials for businesses and individuals. Website themes are in high demand, so this could be a great option if you're a web developer. You can create and sell themes on platforms like ThemeForest and Creative Market. You can use a platform like ConvertKit to create and manage your newsletter. You can create and sell gift baskets filled with goodies on platforms like Etsy and Amazon Handmade. It's a great way to make passive income if you have a large social media following. This could be a great way to help people land their dream jobs, while also making some passive income. You can also monetize your blog by selling your own products, like cookbooks and kitchen gadgets. You can create logos, branding materials, and marketing collateral for businesses. You can create your own designs and sell them on platforms like Etsy and Red. You can write the book once and sell it over and over again. Hopefully, this gives you some ideas to get started on your journey towards financial freedom. Remember that the key to success is to find something that you're passionate about and then go all in. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things, because the rewards can be truly light. Or you can offer it as a free download in exchange for email subscribers, which can help you build your list for future marketing efforts. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi make it easy to create and host your online courses. If you have a following on social media or a blog, you could sell merchandise like t-shirts and mugs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Platforms like Redbubble and Society6 make it easy to get started. But if you have some extra money, it may be worth looking into some of these options to see if there is anything that you can start doing on the side. Of course, there's no such thing as truly passive income, but these are some of the closest things out there. Starting a blog is an excellent way to earn passive income, since it doesn't require any special skills or training. You can create unique designs and sell them on platforms like Etsy and Creative Market. With a little bit of creativity and effort, you can quickly have a blog up and running and start making money from ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Now, each of these ideas only requires a small amount of work up front, and then very little effort to keep going. This means that once you set them up, they should continue bringing in money with very little work on your part. And this is why it is so important to have multiple passive income streams, because it really helps to create a safety net for yourself. Now, I'm not suggesting that you quit your job and try to live off of passive income alone. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the 25 passive income ideas. No. 1. Start a blog. No. 2. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, creating an online course could be a great option for you. No. 3. Sell digital products. Digital products are another great option for passive income, since they don't require any physical inventory or shipping. Number 4. Write an ebook. No. 5. Offer coaching or consulting services. If you have specialized knowledge or experience, offering coaching or consulting services can be a lucrative option. No. 6. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to share your passions with the world and make money at the same time. No. 7. Sell stock photos and videos. No. 8. Create printable wall art. Printable wall art is another great option for digital product sellers. No. 9. Sell stickers and stamps. Stickers and stamps are always in demand, so this could be a great option for you if you're artistic. Number 10. Start a podcast. Starting a podcast is a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Number 11. Write and sell greeting cards. If you're creative, you could design and print your own greeting cards and sell them on sites like Etsy and Amazon. Number 12. Offer virtual assistant services. If you're organized and Number 14. Offer social media management services. If you're savvy on social media, you could offer social media management services to businesses that need help growing their online presence. Number 15. Create and sell printables are another great option for digital product sellers. Number 16. Start a membership site. A membership site is a great way to provide value to your audience and make money at the same time. Number 17. Sell merchandise. Number 18. Become a brand ambassador. Brand ambassadors promote companies, products, and services in exchange for compensation. Number 19. Offer translation services. If you're fluent in more than one language, offering translation services could be a good fit for you. Number 20. Create and sell website themes. Number 21. Sell gift baskets. Gift baskets are always in demand, so this could be a great option for you if you're crafty. Number 22. Offer graphic design services. If you have a knack for design, offering graphic design services could be a good fit for you. Number 23. Start a food blog. A food blog is a great way to share your recipes and make money from ads and affiliate marketing. Number 24. Sell photographs. If you're a photographer, you can sell your photographs on platforms like Pixels and Dreamstime. And finally, number 25. Offer resume writing services. If you have experience writing resumes, you could offer resume writing services to job seekers. So there you have it, 25 different ways that you can start earning passive income. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. I hope you enjoyed today's video.